So we recently took over some additional space at the office. We took over another floor, and we wanted to buy something nice for the office. So Olga had wanted a espresso machine, but I was like, I really want a Peloton because I'm into working out, and it was one or the other. We couldn't get both. So the espresso machine was delivered yesterday, and I think what we're going to do is have Olga come up and barista us up some coffee.
Hello.
Olga?
Yeah.
Would you mind coming upstairs and making some fancy coffees?
Are you really calling me from Carl's phone because you know I wouldn't answer your call?
So what are you making, Olga?
We're making a hot oat milk latte.
Oat milk latte?
Yep.
So how long did you work in the coffee industry?
0 days.
Now you did work at Outback Steakhouse, correct?
I did.
Okay, so what's happening now?
Now we're gonna froth the milk.
Froth the milk. Okay.
Now you're putting in the espresso.
Yep.
And then you're pouring your froth milk.
A little design at the top is not really quite there yet, but
We're learning.
okay. Now we got to give her a little taste here. Pretty good.
Is it actually?
Give it a 8.4.
How much would you pay for that at a coffee shop?
A few dollars.